Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I've walked in to the 1400 Hiline and I just want to show off the lobby and just kind of what it looks like. It's a really pretty lobby. It's got a really nice concierge, that's 24/7 concierge. It's got the leasing office is back there. It's got that great leasing office. It's got over here, there's the entrance to the garage. We were about to see the garage on a video. And then also it's got the mail center that's over here. And then it's got the elevators. There's three elevators that are over there. And just a really, really pretty lounge. So it's got just a beautiful feel here. Well done. It's very modern, elegant. I think you're going to love the feel here. I've had a really professional service here, by the way, and I've liked how they've taken care of me really, really nicely. So anyway, this is a little bit about it, and now we're going to go see some apartments and amenities.